to the water where you will find peace. Take a step into the river, get down on your knees. Come to the mountain while taking in the view. You will find that life is greater than you knew.
This was our last day in Bangkok, and we decided to visit this beautiful cafe that everybody had recommended to us. After the rain, Coffee and Gallery was in the outskirts of Bangkok. The location for this cafe is in the description box below. You can check that out. It was a beautiful cafe, guys. Starting with the wholesome food to the ambience, the vibe, everything was spot on. The menu was in the local language, and hence we don't know exactly what we were having, but we can give you an idea that they were all extremely delicious.
Oh my love, you're such a fragile thing, I know.
After finishing our 3-course meal, we had something really new. We had the Thai tea ice cream. It was nice. It's an acquired taste, I would say, but once you get a hang of it, you would love it.
My love,
Soon after, we took a boat and went boating into the beautiful mangroves around the cafe.
just feel the summer sun as it warms our bed.
After thoroughly enjoying ourselves, we headed to this beautiful Instagrammable spot in the cafe, which is the Big Swing.
When I say I'm not afraid.
Now it was time to leave, but how can it ever be that Ritu and Anisha have gone somewhere without a mishap? We could not find a single local taxi or even a grab cab over there, and hence we were completely stranded in the outskirts of the city. After a really long, stressful wait, a local came to our help. He dropped us at the closest bus stop from where we took a bus to the main city of Bangkok. So just in case you guys visit, make sure you have some time in hand and you don't have a train to catch that very evening.
यहाँ के जो बस ड्राइवर हैं और ऑनर, उनको नहीं समझ में आया कि हम क्या बोलना चाह रहे हैं. हमने मैप में भी दिखाया कि इधर जाना है हमें, बट बहुत डिफिकल्ट हुआ उनसे कन्वर्सेशन करने में. एंड देन हम लोग ने मैप में फिर बस का रूट डाल के देखा, बस का नंबर डाल के कि 515 बस कहाँ जा रही है. तो हमें रूट पता चला, जो सबसे क्लोजेस्ट स्टॉप था हमने उस तक वहाँ तक का टिकट लिया है. एंड देन वहाँ से हम फिर कैब या कुछ करेंगे, बट वी रियली वांट टू रीच द मेन सिटी सो दैट वहाँ से हमारे पास ऑप्शंस हो. हमारी आज की ट्रेन है तो वो भी मिस ना हो जाए. यस, कन्वर्सेशन का काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम है, लेकिन लोग अपने तरफ से 100% ट्राई करते हैं आपको हेल्प करने का, व्हिच इज ट्रू.
We finally reached Bangkok city. We rushed to our hostel, packed our luggage quickly, and then headed for the railway station. Here ends our Bangkok journey, and very soon we'll see you in Chiang Mai. For now, if you like this video, please press the like button, tell us in the comments what you want to see from us, and wait for our next video which comes next week. Thanks for watching.